So here we are with the Morphe Jeffree Star collaboration. As we all know, or maybe you don't know, Jeffree Star has been dropped by Morphe. I don't want to say dropped. He was canceled. Okay, I shouldn't say canceled either. Okay, sorry about my hair. It's looking crazy, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna do it. But all of his stuff was 50% off, and I've never owned anything Jeffree Star, and this palette was $17. Okay, she's pink and holographic and gorge. Oh my god, don't look at that. But look at this. Yes, I don't ever buy palettes with all these kinds of colors, so I was excited. I thought this could be my first venture into a little bit more of the natural warm bronzy eye that I normally do. I have one eye look. I've said this before. I'm just not an eyeshadow person. We're gonna try to have fun with this today, okay? Don't judge me. No me juzgues. No me juzgues. Yeah. This palette, let's see what's going on. The names are not on the back, so I'm just going to, those beauty, like the beauty people do. Like the makeup artists do. They have like a little, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of take like a bony color, okay? And just kind of lightly go over everything. Yeah, that's what they do. Jeffree Star Cosmetics is known to have very good products, high quality makeup, especially the lipsticks and stuff. Yeah, so that's a little wash there of like a bone color to get us started. Let's see, I don't know what I'm gonna dip into. I kind of wanted to get into this Barbie fantasy, honey. I mean, I wanted something to match the palette, so I figured I'd put on, you know what this is? Do you remember Do you remember SJP had a brand called Bitten like years ago? I'm talking so long ago. And I think I found this at like a thrift store for like $5 or something. And I only bought it because it said SJP Bitten on the back. And so yes, and I figured she's perfect for this makeup look, for the ambiance, for what's happening. And I think I'm gonna wanna do pink. Yeah, I do. So we're gonna dip into, oh, the names of the eyeshadows are on the palette. Sorry, Jeffree. Self-made. Ooh, she's real. Wow. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm just gonna, oh, okay. Oh my gosh, she's pink. Okay, see what happens is I have a hooded eye, and so when I do this, you can't see it. But when I do this, you can. So let's keep working with that and see where we go with it, okay? And then what I'll do is I'll put a little bit of a darker shadow somewhere else. This is a real pink. This is a real pink fantasy. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna record all this. This is too much. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna stop. We're gonna stop here, and what I'll do is I'll finish the look. This is gonna take forever. I don't know how these beauty people do this. I mean, my battery will die. We'll run out of space. I mean, I'm not gonna be able to sit here and blend for the amount of time that it's gonna take me to blend. I don't think I'm doing this right. So I'm gonna stop. We'll come back with the finished product and see what happens. That'll be fun, right? We'll just kind of see if anything actually happens. But I am gonna play with some more colors, a little glitter. I'm just feeling the pink vibes today, okay? I think this kind of got away from me already. So let's stop here. We'll fix it. We'll come back with a finished product, and hopefully I don't look like a clown. Here I am back after I played around with the palette. I really liked it. I'm not great at eyeshadow, so I don't ever like doing complicated things. Okay, so first I used that hot pink. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I'll insert some close-up images of what the real colors look like with the light so you can see. I did that hot pink first, which you saw in the last clip. Then I went in with this darker reddish burgundy, sort of pinkish situation, so that I could deepen up my crease a little bit, and then I played around with this. Let me swatch. Is this what you do? Okay, do you see that? Okay, it doesn't, you know what? It's fine. Amanda, I need a tissue. Amanda. I'm still waiting. Thank you. So like I was saying, I used that frosty lighter pink. And then I think I made a mistake by going in this gold glitter. I know I should have done this silver glitter because it's like more of like the vibe, the Barbie vibes. But I don't know, I always go for the gold and it wasn't that bad. Like the glitter fell out everywhere. But that's my fault. I'm not gonna like not say that this palette is not good because I fail. I think that if you have a palette like this, you should kind of know what you're doing a little bit because it's very intimidating. Subscribe to this channel. Have I said that already? Nope, haven't. Anyway, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, so let's put this away because there's something else I really want to do. Now, the reason that my hair looks so awful, okay, I wanted to review, yes, oh, she's hot. So I was sent this. We've got this pink, my outfit's pink. Oh, this is a good thumbnail, hold on. So, oh, it's pretty hot. Okay, so there are two temperatures. I plugged it in so that we could move it along. 210 and 180. I usually have things at like a 400 degree and up because my hair is so thick and coarse and needs a lot of heat. But it's fine, we're gonna go with it. I like this because you can lean it on your desk or wherever you are. And I'm just gonna take a section like right here and see what the box, this part, do not use in bathroom. And it has a picture of like somebody showering. Why would I shower? Why would I take this in the shower? I wouldn't. That's funny. Okay, right, doesn't tell me how to do it. So I put the hair here. Okay, all right. Let's see what happens. We have it clamped. I don't know how long to wait. I'm gonna give it, let's count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then I just take it out. Oh. Okay. Well, I like this part, but what happened here? I just go down. Okay. All right, let's just go a little further down. Oh God. Oh boy. Okay. This didn't come with a glove, should it have? Okay, let's go down. Cause yeah, we did the little waves here. Okay. All right, let's count to 8 again. Yeah, I can't record me doing, oh, this has been a really long time. Oh my God. Okay, I don't hate it. It just has like, I think once I put gel in it or something. Okay, let's do another. Let's go another and then we'll speed it up so you can see it again. Okay, so I took that much hair, you can see, and I'm not taking a lot. Wait, this is gonna be tricky. Oh God, I'm gonna burn myself. I'm gonna burn. How am I gonna do this? Okay, all right, let's try it again. So we stretch this way. We come up, oh my God, this is so scary. Okay. I can't get it. Okay, there we go. That was scary. All right, but I can see that little, just a little, oh, this is too long. Oh, I said I was gonna move down. Okay, move down, because I'm not doing that again. Okay, let's move down. All right, I don't think I did that as good as I could have. Ugh. I don't know, you like this pink lipstick? It's all right. I just didn't know how to like match this whole pink thing. I mean, when you do pink eyeshadow, are you supposed to do like a automatic pink lip? No. You could do like a NUCH, you know? A NUCH lip. This pink's okay. What is this, my ColourPop? Where is it? Amanda, I can't find my lipstick. All right, let's release it. Oh, yeah, I didn't do that as good as I could have. Why is it getting frizzy? Why is it like going like, is that supposed to, is it giving it volume? Is that what's going on? I don't think I did. Maybe I'll come down this way on it. Oh, yeah, that's easier. Okay, let's try that again. I don't have a lot of faith. I don't have skills in this either. Who knew? Today's just let's go ahead and expose Denise and all the things she doesn't know how to do. It's fun. And then let's go down a little bit. Oh no. Oh, I messed it up. I don't think, yeah, not. All right. This is taking a really long time. I don't have time. I need to go. Like I need to go. I need to go. All right. All right, well, you know what? I'm not gonna torture you into this. I did so good here. What happened? This is so much better than this. Why are we like not? One more time, okay? I'm gonna give it one more time before I just go and do it myself. Scary. Okay, that's better. Boom. We're on the highest heat, by the way. We're on 210. So there. Oh, oh, careful. Almost hit my ear. Burned my ear off. This video is not going well, and I don't know. You guys see that pink eyeshadow? Do you like it? It's cute. It's okay. Pink eyeshadow? Can't really see it. Oh, what do you think of my lashes? I got new ones. These are the Wonder Lash. You see that? Very full, and they flare at the end. Yeah. If you like them, and you want to get some, oh God, just leave me a comment or message me on any of my social media. Let's talk about it. Oh, I think I joined Twitter this week. I'm pretty sure I did, but I don't know what name I put. Yeah, I gotta check that. Okay. Why isn't the right side of my hair cooperating? Or maybe it's just supposed to be this loose? I don't get it. Let's come back with the finished product because this video cannot be that long. Okay. We can't win them all, okay? They can't all be winners. Sorry. This is what happened. It's like, I've never crimped my hair, but that's what this feels like. It's like a big crimping. It just like frizzed my hair. You saw my hair before. It wasn't this frizzy and dry looking. Like what? This is not good. What company is this? Maybe this is a good time to start my new series called Smash.
Hello, gorgeous.
Or Trash. This is trash. Sorry, I didn't like it. I won't say that it was all bad. My daughter loved it. Kemi was like, oh yeah, I love that. And she wants me to try it on her hair. So it just, for a person who already has a lot of volume, I don't want more volume, okay? It's a lot to handle sometimes, this volume. Like a little fun, wild moment. No, not even that. Look at this. What is this? My hair is not like this. I mean, it is like this, but it's not like this. To try to save this, and I can't save you, I'm sorry. Yeah, this was a bust. Yeah, today was super bust. I don't really know what I did. I think maybe I have the wrong hair. That's what it is. I have the wrong type hair. Good, and I'm sorry, and this is how my video came out this week. I'm not happy. I'll probably delete it. This video probably won't even see the light of day because this wasn't fun. Oh my God. The strawberry milkshake iron crimper. That was a trash. Can I find the words? I think that's enough for today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry that this was the end result. If you had high hopes for this, I apologize. I had high hopes for it. I hate being disappointed. Como la flor, tanto haber marché hoy. Can't wait to pull this back. I'm already dying. It's already itching me. Amanda, can I have a scrunchie? Not everything in life is a win. Today was not a win. That's okay. And I hope you're having a great day. Leave a comment down below on what your thoughts are on the Jeffree Star palette. This is awful, and lashes are great. They're always perfect, and that's all I have. So until next time. That was such a weird, what an awkward wave. Okay, until next time. And then I awkwardly point. Perfect. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye. That was not much better.